Hello,
Hi.
we are on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady,
hmm
and we are headed to Key West and Bimini in the Bahamas.
hmm
This is actually our second time on Valiant Lady. Last year we did Valiant Lady in the Mediterranean.
Yeah. So the goal for this one, since this is our third time, we're gonna try to do all the stuff we normally haven't done. We're gonna try to lean more towards like the adult stuff, because normally we go to bed super early. So we're gonna try to stay up for some of the parties, do some of the like day parties and stuff like that. Yeah.
Come with us.
Yeah. So our room is already ready. We're already in it. So let's go check out the rest of it. All right, so we are in the room. I'm not going to go too in depth because we've already done two of the same rooms. So we'll reference our previous videos. We'll put those in the description below to get like a more in depth. But this is the C terrace category room with a king size bed. But let's flip back and go to the bathroom really quick. All right, so the bathroom is not the biggest. She's tiny, but she's mighty. So we have the commode right here. We have pretty decent size storage for all of your toiletries. And then we have the shower over here. I've always been a fan of the shower with the rain head above. And then their line of body wash and everything smells really good. It's always been one of my favorites. And then over here on my right, we have our storage. They don't have full drawers or cabinets. They do to an extent, but they're not that deep, but you can fit stuff in there. There's four of those, plenty of storage. We're probably going to order some more hangers because we have a lot of shirts. But I always am impressed by the storage size. And it's covered by curtains, so it's not just full doors. And then we're going to come back this way. All right, so the first thing you notice is the ambient lighting. It's always very pretty, and you can always change it by the tablet here. We went in depth on the previous video, but you can control everything on here. The TV, the lights, and the curtains, which I will do now. And so out there is our deck. But over here you have a desk. You have your fridge in here with pretty decent sized storage. It's a kind of a mini fridge vibe. And then another thing I always love is you're never going to be thirsty unless you're coming here single and that's your vibe. Go for it. But as far as water, you will always be stocked with water, whether it's still or sparkling. They always do a great job of refilling it, even when you're not in the room, even if you're gone for like 5 or 10 minutes, it's always full. So let's check out this deck. It's a little squeaky, but it's fine. We have great views of Miami. That's where we're currently docked. And overall, the deck space is pretty decent size. I love the hammock. You can actually purchase these, which is really nice. Tempted to buy one and put it in the office somewhere. So that is the room tour. Let's go get into some more mischief but responsible fun. Let's go do it. Normally you would find us in bed by now, but we are actually out on the 16th deck by the athletic club because tonight is a PJ party. It's very windy out.
Yeah, so normally we would be in bed by now because we fill our days on, doing stuff, excursions, getting in, there's lots of stuff happening on the ship. So a lot of stuff on Virgin, like the stuff that you hear about, like the party type stuff, happens very late. So the pajama party starts at 11.
And it's 10:30 right now.
Yes. So we will probably be there for like 15 minutes to show you. Hopefully we get good vibes right at the beginning. Because then we're just going to go to bed because I'm tired. We're working on 5 hours of sleep.
Yeah, we've had a long past like 24 hours.
Yeah.
But let's go check it out. We're here in the Red Room and we're continuing the trend of doing stuff we haven't done before. And today we're doing VHS workout, which is videos, headbands, and Simmons. And so it's a 70s, 80s theme. So I'm super excited. Let's get in there. We're all done, and I had so much fun. What did you think of it?
Yeah, that was great, and it's pretty long too.
Yeah.
There's like it's like 50 minutes, I would say. So we've seen it before.
At least twice, yeah.
Yeah, we've like watched because we didn't get there in time, so we just watched from kind of the sidelines. So this is the first time we partook. It used to be in the Manor, which is the nightclub, and now they've put it in the Red Room, just like they've put some of the other shows that used to be in the Manor in the Red Room. I think it has to do with this ship is full. All the other sailings we've had before haven't been full, but I really like it in the Red Room. It gives you a lot more room to spread out.
Yeah.
So I thought it was great. The leaders of it, the instructors,
crew,
the crew, they're really high energy and really great. So definitely check this out. People are dressing up just like TJ.
Yeah, this is, like you mentioned, this is the second time we've seen it, but the third time we're actually doing it. And so I knew we were going to do it. I was pressed, I was ready, and I brought the outfit for the occasion. So you won't be alone.
Yeah, there was other people that were, had MTV shirts, that type of stuff. So there was different levels. I didn't do anything, so there was my level. And then there was like MTV shirts, there was full costumes. So if you want to come have fun and partake and dress up, you can do that. Tonight we are at Razzle Dazzle. This is something we haven't done before. We haven't had dinner here. We've had breakfast here before. This is the first time we are doing dinner, and this originally started as a veggie forward restaurant. They do have a mixture of not just veggie based options now. They have supposedly a secret menu. We'll see about that. I read online that it's been adjusted slightly. I'm not sure what all that means. We'll find out tonight if they still have a secret menu, but let's try Razzle Dazzle for dinner. We have our appetizers. So this is the yellowfin tuna. It's almost kind of like a poke style because it looks like it might be raw. Yes. Then we have our fried okra and fried green tomato, and we have the wings, and then the fried pork belly. Starting with TJ's, he got the pastrami. And I got the fried chicken, and there's a biscuit here, and it looks like there's some kind of sauce as well. The chicken looks very crispy, which is good. And then we got the secret menu item, and the secret menu item is a blue cheese burger. I'm not a huge fan of blue cheese. And I'm trying to see what TJ's seeing because he moved it. So it's a double patty. The fries look good. These fries, we got these at the galley last night. These must be the standard fries that they use across the ship, and they're really good.
Oh, hi. Editing room TJ here. So I realized going through all this content, we didn't film a reaction to the food that we just ate at Razzle Dazzle. So overall, I would say probably don't have to rush to go for lunch or dinner. I would say though, if you can get a reservation for brunch, I would definitely do that. The food here, it was okay, but it wasn't great. I will say though, the one thing that stuck out to me was the secret menu burger with the blue cheese. That was very good. The patty was a little flat, but overall the taste was very rich. It was very good. And the fries, of course, as always, are very crisp and have a nice crunch to them. Now back to the video.
And this is the infamous Scarlet Night. So you might have heard about this if you've heard anything about Virgin Voyages. For our sailing, it took place on our day at sea. Everyone is supposed to wear red. And as you can see, lots of people dress up for this. It kind of starts early in the evening. They decorate the roundabout, which is kind of like the gathering place inside the ship on deck 6 and 7. They put octopus tentacles in that area. And then up on the pool deck, it turns into a party space. You'll see they have another octopus out here that is a huge blow-up octopus with eyes that glow. And it's just a big dance party. It's a lot of fun. We did not stay here the whole night. We went back to our cabin and we could not hear anything that was happening. We were on deck 12. This was happening on deck 16. So if you don't want to party, you don't want to hear the party, you don't have to. Good morning from Key West.
You traveled so far.
So this is our first time in Key West, my first time period.
Yeah, I think so.
And definitely first time on a cruise ship as well. So it is hot here in the sun, but decent in the shade. So we're gonna try to make this shot in the sun quick because it is pretty hot.
Already.
We don't have really any plans. We're just gonna kind of walk around and explore. TJ has a meeting to be back on the ship for at 2 o'clock in the early afternoon. So we'll be back for that. And then I'm not sure if we'll come back off the ship or not. But we're just going to walk around, explore, take a look at Duval Street, maybe go to the furthest point in the continental United States, which is here in Key West, and just kind of see where the wind takes us.
Yeah, we were joking. We should probably just go to Publix.
Yeah, right?
Do that.
Get a pub sub for lunch.
Yeah.
TJ was like, yeah, I'm sure it wouldn't be funny to see a Publix as soon as we get off the ship. And I'm sure we will see a Publix somewhere here.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
All right.
But I actually do want to get key lime pie.
Oh, yeah, we'll definitely get some key lime pie.
So let's go find some.
At least one slice.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 or 3. It is hot here in Key West. We're Floridians, and it's hot to us. So we are here at Kermit's Key Lime Shop. We got 2 pieces of key lime pie, and then they have this. This is a frozen key lime pie dipped in chocolate. I'm gonna open it real quick for you. All right, here it is. I'm gonna take first bite. Ooh, that's really nice. It's high quality chocolate. It's like a darker chocolate. And the key lime pie is very refreshing. This is delicious.
Walking back towards the ship now. The key lime pie was very good. It wasn't too tart or anything. But just a warning, it's very hot. It's Florida. So depending on what season you're coming, be mindful of the weather. Bring an umbrella, bring fans, all that jazz. But I love that this town is very walkable. So that is the key point. So that is very nice.
This is the first sailing on Virgin Voyages where we experienced a stand-up comedian. This is Pete Zedlacker. He was doing several shows during our sailing, I think even some in the afternoon. This happened to be in the evening after one of our dinners. Once you're on the ship, you want to check the Virgin Voyages app to see the schedule of the events for each day. You can also favorite things as well as add them to your itinerary so they'll pop up as notifications so you don't miss the things that you really want to do.
All right, so this morning we are here at the wake for brunch. We have not done this for brunch yet, we've done it for dinner. And it's so nice, we're gonna do it twice. We're gonna do it for dinner again tonight. So we started off with our starters. So Brian, what did we get? I'm gonna let you explain it.
I got something that is not on the dinner menu, which is the poached shrimp. Very nice, beautiful presentation. And then TJ got the chowder, which is on the dinner menu as well. Oh yeah, it's on the dinner menu. TJ didn't realize it's on the dinner. You've gotten it before.
I have, yeah, right.
So they present the chowder, and then they do a pour over of the actual broth of the chowder at the table. But she was real quick this morning, and we couldn't film that. So anyway, always a beautiful presentation here at the wake. TJ got the crab Benedict. Looks very good. And then we also got the brioche French toast to share. Of course, TJ couldn't pass that up. And then I got the wake Benedict, which features pork belly. Very good.
Okay. Just that.
We are back in Miami, and it's rainy.
Just like we left it. Yeah, I'm always sad on, what is it, debarkation day? I was always sad to leave, but Virgin Voyages is so much fun. We got a lot accomplished, and it's funny to say, we still haven't done.
I know, there's still stuff that we need to do.
Yeah, there's still a
They
ton
have
of
a
stuff.
dinner show.
Yeah, that's the thing we're looking forward to the most when we come back, the dinner show, because it looks, even from like the promo of it, it looks very good.
So this ship was almost 100% occupancy, so it was almost 100% sold out. And I was talking to TJ this morning. I was like, I'm glad that it didn't feel like overly full. So you will film moments if you on a sailing where it's 100% full. You'll film moments where like, okay, there's a lot of people. Generally, it happens when you're boarding and then when you're leaving, or like if there's one thing happening like that everyone's like focused on. But in general, throughout the sailing, it didn't feel like it was overpacked. Virgin, this ship has so many places to go and like escape and find a spot and relax that you're never going to be at a loss to find kind of a quiet corner of the ship if that's what you're looking for.
Yeah. So what was your favorite part of the trip?
I really enjoyed doing the parties and experiencing those. So the PJ party as well as the Scarlet Night party. Yeah. I really enjoyed doing those things just because we've never done it before, and it's a great energy. I love the mix of people here on board Virgin.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too.
It's young, old, tons of different ethnicities. It's a really, really nice mix. It's what you want in the world, basically.
Yeah, I was definitely going to say my favorite part was definitely Scarlet Night. That pool party was so much fun. There was a lot going on, and it was just such a fun vibe. Yes. Everyone was like chill, relaxed, and having a good time, and you could feel the energy. Yes. It was so much fun.
It's a great vibe. We didn't see any fights break out.
No.
Did you see there was a fight on a Disney Cruise Line ship?
Unfortunately.
Did you see that? So anyway, but we didn't experience any kind of craziness. It was all just good vibes here.
Yeah. And if you want to book this Virgin cruise specifically, you can reach out to me and I will get you situated.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And if you have any questions, put them in the comments.
Yes, as always.
Course, and like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.
See ya.
Bye, guys.